Today is a special day when we are gonna read messy stories. Yay! Let's call Miss Andreea to read us a story. Miss Andreea, come and read us a story, please, please. Here I am. Yay! I am ready to read you a story with Messy Jessie. Yay! All right. Now, Piggy, you need to sit down and listen to the story, okay? Now be quiet. Messy Jessie. Messy Jessie loved having fun, and he was really good at making things. Paper has delicious cakes and blanket forts, but he was especially good at making a mess. And the more Jessie played, the more mess he made. And so the mess grew and grew and grew until one day, uh-oh, what happened? All his favorite toys disappeared. No, he couldn't find his crunchy bone. No, he couldn't even find his cozy blanket. Oh, but worst of all, the other pets couldn't find Jessie. Where is Jessie? He had disappeared too. Oh no! Rabbit hopped into the mess to find Jessie. Jessie! But then Rabbit got lost. Oh no! Cat tried next. Where is Jessie? Where is Rabbit? She climbed in very carefully, but soon she was lost too. Oh no! Now only Hamster was left. He dove in to find the others, but oh no! Now all the pets were lost. Uh-oh! Where are you? I can't see a thing. It's so messy here. Hello, I'm over here. Come and save me. And then at last, Messy Jessie had an idea. He started to put away all the paper, pens, pots and pans, and the paint and the brushes. Ever so slowly, things reappeared. First, Jessie found Cat. Meow, meow, meow. Then he found Rabbit. Hop, hop, hop. And Hamster. Squeak, squeak, squeak. He found his blanket beneath a pile of hats, his bone in a shoe, and his favorite toys under his blanket. Until finally, he looked around and saw that everything was very, very clean. Hooray! Everyone cheered. Now there was space to make a mess all over again with his friends. Yay! That was our story with Messy Jessie. I think you liked it. Did you like it, Piggy? Yes, I like all sorts of messy stories. They are all for me. Yay! Miss Andreea, do you know what's my favorite activity? What is it, Piggy? What do you like to do? Oh, I love to get messy, to roll in the mud and get all messy. Piggy, we can do this at the library. Let's get messy. Do you want to do it? Yay! Let's do it. All right, Piggy, are you ready to get messy? Yes. All right, sit down here.
Peanut butter, we like peanut butter. Peanut butter, that's what we like best. Do you like it on your head?
Yes, we like it on our head.
On your head?
On our head.
Oh, peanut butter, we like peanut butter. Peanut butter, that's what we like best. Do you like it on your shirt?
Yes, we like it on our shirt.
On your shirt?
On our shirt.
On your head?
On our head.
Oh, peanut butter, we like peanut butter. Peanut butter, that's what we like best. Do you like it on your pants?
Yes, we like it on our pants.
On your pants?
On our pants.
On your shirt?
On our shirt.
On your head?
On our head.
Oh, peanut butter, we like peanut butter. Peanut butter, that's what we like best. Do you like it on your socks?
Yes, we like it on our socks.
On your socks?
On our socks.
On your pants?
On our pants.
On your shirt?
On our shirt.
On your head?
On our head.
Oh, peanut butter, we like peanut butter. Peanut butter, that's what we like best. Do you like it on your shoes?
Yes, we like it on our shirts.
On your shoes?
On our shoes.
On your socks?
On our socks.
On your pants?
On our pants.
On your shirt?
On our shirt.
On your head?
On our head.
Oh, peanut butter, we like peanut butter. Peanut butter, that's what we like best. On your underwear?
On our underwear.
Underwear?
Underwear.
On your shoes?
On our shoes.
On your socks?
On our socks.
On your pants?
On our pants.
On your shirt?
On our shirt.
On your head?
On our head.
Oh,
Peanut butter. We like peanut butter. Peanut butter. That's what we like best.
Woo! We got all messy.
I'm a mess. I'm a big old messy mess. From the north to the south and the east to the west, what I am is a really, really, really big mess. Now, eating messy food, you know it's the best. Cause no matter what I do, I make a big mess. Get dinner on my jacket,
Ew.
breakfast on my vest,
Yuck.
lunch in my socks. Uh-oh, what a mess. I'm a mess.
Yes, a mess.
I'm a mess.
It's the best.
I'm a big old messy mess.
I'm a mess.
From the north to the south and the east to the west, what I am is a really, really, really big mess.
Yay!